Hi Beauty Studio fam, it's me, Shila.
And Christina.
And today we're trying stick beauty products.
I hope they stick the landing. Okay, so first we're gonna try this Korean beauty product. It's called Chok Cleansing Balm, and it's from the company OK Beauty. And it's supposed to do multiple things. So not just take your makeup off, but also improve your skin as a whole.
I like the millennial pink.
Ooh, it smells so clean.
Oh God, this smells expensive.
Okay, I'm just applying it over my full face of makeup. It's really cooling.
Nice.
And it smells so good.
Yeah, I could see your makeup come off too. I could do this all day.
It's really like taking it off.
Actually motivate me to take care of my face and like take my makeup off because it's so easy.
I want it to take all the makeup off really badly so that it can just be my new favorite product, the end.
I really do feel like it is clearing up my face from the makeup, which is pretty impressive.
Oh yeah, wow. I definitely feel the product breaking up.
Yeah, it's really, really doing the job. Got a lot of gunk out of there.
Whoa.
Let me feel your skin. Does it feel, it's like baby soft.
Oh my gosh, wait, your skin is so smooth. What?
This is a miracle stick, and I need 2 of these.
I'm just gonna, excuse me.
Yeah.
Just put it in my pocket there.
This to go.
It's fine.
Now that our face is fresh and clean, we're gonna try this Milk product. It's a brightening face mask.
And it's in a stick. This is the watermelon brightening face mask.
And this one is the Matcha detoxifying face mask. So I'm supposed to rub it. Oh my God, I can't even finish my sentence because that is so cooling and refreshing.
It's so cooling. It's almost liquid. I feel like because it's in the stick, I'm not getting my weird finger germs all over my face. Okay, that looks pretty thick.
So we'll be back after 5 to 10 minutes and see if this does any magic to our face.
Mine's gotten super tight. It's definitely clay mask because I feel like one that, but it's so thin.
Yeah, it dried pretty quickly.
It's not goopy at all.
And it feels really light compared to other clay masks, which I really appreciate.
So let's reveal our beautiful, fabulous, brand new skin.
Let's do it. Wow.
That's awesome. My skin's not irritated at all.
No, definitely.
It's so soft.
Yeah.
Wait, your skin. Oh my gosh.
Detoxified.
I really do feel like it.
Oh
Especially like in your T-zone. I feel like it really like got
Brightens
some gunk out.
Man, I need to buy more stick products.
Uh-oh. They're stuck on you.
They're stuck. This makes like taking care of your skin really easy, which I appreciate.
So now that we've tried all the products, we have to decide boss or loss.
All right, let's start with the OK.
This just in, these are only $15.
$15?
Yes.
What are your thoughts on that?
Boss, couldn't be more boss. Boss to the boss degrees. I love it.
I think it's unanimous that we want this in the boss section. I think that it is easy, convenient, and this packaging is adorable.
Yeah, cleansed my skin. I felt so soft after, really got all my makeup off.
Yeah.
And it smelled so freaking good.
Yes, it smelled like a luxurious spa.
Gonna put one in each pocket. Okay, so the Milk masks, $24 each. What are your thoughts?
Definitely a boss. I really liked how detoxifying it was, and it didn't even give me any redness on my skin, which is something that I always struggle with.
I mean, I think I might have been the opposite of you. I just hated how much I loved them. Boss all around. It just worked so well. I really liked how smoothly it went on. I didn't make a mess. I mean, usually when I put a face mask on, I have to do it in solitary confinement in my bathroom because it gets everywhere.
Yeah.
And this was so easy. I do feel like I could do it multiple times a week.
You're glowing right now.
Yeah. Are we stick people?
We're stick people.
These are really fun to try.
Yeah.
Skincare doesn't usually like change my life right away, but both of these, I'm moved to tears.
And I felt like it was such instant results too.
Yeah.
Like it was just so quick and easy, and it fits in my bag.
Totally.
So great.
A boss for a boss.
I'm Sheila.
And I'm Christina.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to like and subscribe for more episodes.